Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Goku Ultra Instinct, Vegeta Ultra Ego, Black Frieza, Orange Piccolo, and Gohan Beast, all are the latest power states of the characters in the Dragon Ball series. They are not only cool, but the above states also have their sources of enormous power. Gohan Beast can be considered one of the great leaps in the fighting ability of this Saiyan warrior. Gohan already possesses an outstanding level of strength. The ability of the two previous generation Saiyans seems to have been surpassed by this warrior. Because he only appeared for a few minutes in the battle with Cell Max, Gohan's new state still hides quite a few mysteries, making the audience still curious. To answer those questions, today we will learn together the truths about the Gohan Beast that not everyone knows. Let's get started. Number 9. Gohan Beast is Gohan's 14th transformation ever. If counted from childhood until becoming a father, Gohan has possessed a total of 14 different transformations from Super Saiyan, Super Saiyan 2, Ultimate. Perhaps Gohan is one of the characters with many appearances different when fighting the most. Number 8. The prototype of Gohan Beast had a pale face and a completely different name, Final Gohan. The Dragon Ball superhero movie's power-up transformations are one of the strangest hair and skin color changes in the Dragon Ball universe. This is also quite understandable because the truth is that it is not simple for the author Akira Toriyama as well as the company's designers to be able to draw a cool and domineering state, but also have to add a bit of uniqueness and distinction when many transformed states often appear. Perhaps the author had to struggle mentally to choose a new hair color, a cool platinum color. In this state, Gohan's hair color is quite similar to Perfect Ultra Instinct, and his appearance is very similar to Super Saiyan 2. Everything you see in the new movie released this year is not the prototype of Gohan Beast. Author Akira Toriyama's first design of this form has quite pale skin and a cold face no less terrifying. After briefly reviewing the above designs of Gohan Beast, perhaps the film's producers felt that this was no longer the innocent eldest son of Goku as before. This experimental design has the name Final Gohan Last Gohan or N Gohan. The meaning of the name Gohan Beast was later explained by the author as if Pandora's box had been opened, and the wild beast inside Gohan had been awakened. Number 7. Gohan Beast is activated when Goku's eldest son thinks that teacher Piccolo has died. It is no coincidence that characters in the Dragon Ball universe can possess a new power state. Goku first transformed into a Super Saiyan when he painfully witnessed his close friend Krillin pass away. When future Trunks have to lose almost all of their relatives to become a Super Saiyan. To be able to maintain his strongest state up to the present time, Gohan also had to experience this painful feeling. There are many relationships ranging from love, brotherhood, and close friendship, and Gohan and Piccolo are more than just a simple teacher-student relationship. Piccolo is not just a martial arts teacher. Simply put, Piccolo for Gohan is also a second father who has guided and supported him since his childhood. With Gohan's respect and affection, witnessing the painful death of the Namek warrior pushed him to it's not surprising that he once again surpassed his limits. Orange Piccolo had done fight Cell Max, but due to the power difference, the Red Ribbon Corporation's Beast it seemed to have killed Piccolo. It was at that tragic moment that Gohan Beast was awakened. Number 6. Gohan Beast may be the stepping stone to turning Gohan into the strongest warrior in Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Super has recently shown some unbelievable transformations. With the upgrade of power states, author Akira Toriyama has also publicly mentioned many times that Gohan has the potential to become Dragon Ball's strongest character. And the advancement in Gohan Beast's state could be a step to gain momentum so the author can bring him to this title of the strongest mortal in the universe. Number 5. Gohan Beast is officially available in video games. There are several video games with themes and content revolving around the Dragon Ball series that have updated the status of Gohan. Gohan Beast also quickly appeared in the card game Super Dragon Ball Hero, a quite famous game for advertising based on the anime of the same name. It may not be long before the Namek warrior with the new status Orange Piccolo will also appear in the above video games. Number 4. Gohan Beast's state transformation is intentionally related to the moment of Super Saiyan 2 awakening. The huge potential inside Gohan is something that the Dragon Ball Z story has mentioned right from the first episode after through the words of Goku, Vegeta, Piccolo, etc. That hidden source of power is even more firmly affirmed in the epic transformation in this latest movie. Gohan's first time upgrading himself to Super Saiyan to state was also really cool, and for some people, it was the best. The cruelty of the villains helps Gohan reach the peak of emotions, then brings himself to a completely new level of strength, a new peak state of the Dragon Ball series. By the time Gohan witnessed Cell Max attack those around him, this warrior's eyes had changed color with an electric current cutting through it. The calmness disappeared in an instant, and it was the same as Gohan's feeling when he witnessed Perfect Cell crushing Android 16's head. That feeling passed once again. Number 3. Gohan Beast's stylish voice is very similar to Super Saiyan 4. The Dragon Ball GT series was produced to continue to make more money from the Dragon Ball universe while it was at its peak high. And now with the appearance of Dragon Ball Super, it has almost sunk into oblivion. The plot is one color, the villain is too weak, and Goku alone does it all. And importantly, the lack of investment is the main reason why the above series is considered a failure of the Dragon Ball universe. However, Goku or Vegeta in Super Saiyan 4 state is always a part of the childhood memories of every Dragon Ball fan. With Super Saiyan God being the next state instead of Super Saiyan 4, many fans have been waiting to this day to see the state that shook the entire universe in the past. Although he is far from his Super Saiyan 4 appearance, his quiet voice, dignified face, and mature demeanor make us associate Gohan Beast with a state once associated with each person's childhood. Using some of the things that have made the series famous, it seems that author Akira Toriyama has deliberately acknowledged the presence and contribution of this series to some extent. Number 2. The design and creativity of the Gohan Beast state is back with the original limited colorway reserved for Super Saiyan. There is such a huge historical legacy of the Dragon Ball series that it has become so meaningful to fans that the classic details and design elements of the past have added a new dimension, once again returned to their favorite works. There are certain characteristic color patterns that author Akira Toriyama initially used to combine both the transformation state and the characters, but later it was no longer the same and was changed a bit little over time. The first character that can use the Super Saiyan state that we can see is Goku. In this colored comic, the monkey's appearance is a very minimalist design with white hair. Adding some attractive features from bloodstains and red eyes, this design has many similarities with Super Saiyan God. It's unclear whether Gohan Beast's design with the old color swatches was intentionally alluding to the first Super Saiyan's appearance or if it was an unconscious connection that happened by chance. Whatever it is, it's up to you to decide. The authors above also pleased longtime fans with the appearance of Gohan Beast. Number 1. Gohan Beast's appearance was probably influenced to some extent by his infamous adopted son Gohan Blanco. At this time, side stories, as well as main stories, appear continuously, contributing to creating a huge source of content revolving around stories in the Dragon Ball universe. But in the 90s, after the end of the Dragon Ball GT series, fans' thirst for Goku's stories began to appear. Suddenly, in the midst of that, the Dragon Ball If series appeared to relieve the heat and quench the thirst of true fans. Although it was not recognized by the author because it was mainly created by fans, the author also seemed very satisfied and happy that his series was so loved by fans. Because it is not invested in series or TV shows but is only advertised mainly on the internet in the fan community, Dragon Ball If still leaves its mark in the memories of fans of the Dragon Ball universe. Goku Super Saiyan 5's transformation, Goku's clone is Zycor or more recently Gohan Blanco. In the series, Dragon Ball X created by a YouTuber Gohan is the main character. He has also been proven that he is not the son of Goku and Shishi, something that the people have wondered about for a long time. Gohan Blanco has become the ruler of the multiverse. Looking at the face and the charismatic hair color, we can see that there are random similarities between Gohan Beast and Gohan Blanco. Although the author Toriyama never mentioned or cited any of his design features inspired. However, some fans of the Dragon Ball universe have noticed the connection between Gohan Beast and Gohan Blanco. Above are 9 facts that you may not know about Gohan Beast's new state. The video has ended here. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find it interesting, don't forget to give me a like and a subscription. Hello and see you again.